everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I'm on my way to go grocery shopping at VONS. I'm just checking out the sales and looking for some snacks for the boys. Let's go. Got my new calculator and I have a little list, and I'm just gonna look at some of the sales and see what I find. Okay, I'm back and I spent about $95. I didn't really spend too much, but I did look at a lot of sales, and I was thinking about the kids and like snacks and treats and these kinds of things. I feel like our freezer's pretty stocked up on like meats and some sides. But I was just thinking, like, they're home, they're not going to be doing online schooling for a couple of weeks. You know, if they wanted to make themselves something quick and easy, that's kind of what I was thinking about. So first off, I hit the big sale on the sodas. They're 4 for $10. Those are our favorites. And then I picked up another thing of toilet paper. So my store was plenty stocked with lots of like those hygiene kind of things that you'll need. There's lots there. So one thing I was looking for that I didn't find was oven cleaner. I'm like trying to see if I can kind of scrub out a little bit more of the oven because I use it a lot. So I thought maybe before Christmas I could clean it out. I don't think I'm gonna do it. I can't find it. Okay, so let me start unpacking these bags and then I'll tell you and show you more that we... Okay, I picked up 2 of these lemon juices. I needed this from when I went grocery shopping last week. I couldn't find them, or maybe I forgot. But I use them for on top of broiled broccoli, and when I'm making buttermilk, just a tablespoon of lemon juice to some milk and let it sit for a minute. Then you start making your own buttermilk. So I had a couple recipes, so I thought, plan ahead. I picked up some Hot Pockets, the Philly cheesesteak. I know that Jonas really likes this one. And they were only $1.99. So that's a couple of little snacks there. I picked up Paul some beef jerky. That'll just go in the drawer. I picked up some more medium cheddar. I just like to stock up on the cheese when I can, because when it's on a good sale, and this was $5.99, which is cheaper than Costco. So I just like to just put them in the refrigerator. That way I have a good go-to supply for cheese. I picked up some bananas, and look at you guys, these ones are pretty decent. I have been running into some overly ripe bananas. Let me know if how your bananas are looking. And then I picked up some mandarin, or these sweet clementines, I think they're called. They say mandarins. So these were 88 cents. It was a good for you. I used the VONS app special. So for this last week, it was 88 cents for this bag. Super happy. I picked up some more eggs. I'm gonna definitely be needing them for our neighbor presents, and then just for breakfasts. Let me go get some more. Okay, I picked up some more fruit in the cup. So I have here some pineapple. Ezra said that he wanted more applesauce cups, so I just got him some applesauce. I was trying to look for strawberry flavored, but they didn't have any. Boo. And then I picked up this bubble fruit. It's peach strawberry lemonade, peaches with popping boba. That sounds fun. So I think we've had these before, and I think they like them a lot. I picked up some Roma tomatoes because I do have a couple of bagels in the back freezer that I could make some my favorite lemon pepper with sliced tomatoes on a toasted cream cheese. So good. My favorite. And then I picked up some more broccoli. So another thing that I do with my broccoli besides roast them is I will chop them up into smaller pieces, like just the floret parts. And I'll add a can of cream of chicken soup and just add like a can of water to it, and just kind of start cooking down that with the broccoli in it, so it cooks the broccoli as well. I'll put a handful of cheese, and then sometimes I'll even add cooked chicken into that, and then I'll pour that right over some baked potatoes or even some mashed potatoes. It is so good. It's broccoli cheddar soup. I picked up some more onion rings. These are good to have on hand when we are making some cheeseburgers. I picked up some more cream cheeses. These were on sale for 99 cents. So this time of year, there are some really good sales to stock up on. Cream cheese is one of them for sure. I picked up Paul some gluten-free waffles, these Kashi ones. They look pretty good. So I thought, you know, he does have a few days off here. So if he wants to make something different for breakfast, might be something worth trying. And then Little Debbie's was on sale for $1.67. So that is such a good price, especially for VONS. And then I picked up some more treats for the boys. So these were $1.97 each, but you had to buy 3. Okay, so let me get the last of all of this. Okay, the last part of this haul, I picked up a couple of these cans, this Macayo's. I also heard Las Palmas green enchilada sauce is really good, and I'm kind of tempted to try. But right now I love having these on hand. They are really good. They have a little more of a kick to them, so if that's something you're kind of avoiding because you have little kids or something, maybe try Las Palmas. I picked up also some mixed berries. Jonas has been liking this and some vanilla yogurt. He says it's better than McDonald's. Woo! You guys, it's probably the exact same thing, right? Berries and yogurt. Jonas also likes these pot stickers. These are very easy to make for him, maybe for a lunch or something. He just likes, it's a good go-to. This was also on sale. I bought 2 of these Applewood smoked bacons for $1.97 each. That was a good price to stock up. We can have breakfast for dinner next week. I bought some more potatoes, so you know we'll be making the cheddar broccoli soup on the potatoes thing very soon. The last thing that I got was some Mexican hot chocolate. This Abuelita brand is very reminiscent of my childhood. We would make that a lot actually, or my mom would make it for us. This is an instant one, so I think I'll try it. We do have regular hot chocolate and it was on my list, but since I found this one, I thought, let's try something different. So let me know down below if you've ever had Mexican hot chocolate and what you think. So that is it, you guys. Like $95 and a lot of treats and snacks for the boys for the next, hopefully, couple weeks. We will see. So thanks so much, Rollers, for watching the video. Give it a thumbs up and click subscribe. I'm so grateful for all of you. Stick around, Rollers, because you just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.